Generator maintenance made easy. A generator is only reliable if you take care of it. So here are the 3 essential maintenance steps that keep any generator running smoothly, without overwhelming you with a long checklist. 1. Engine health, oil, filter, and spark plug. Think of this as the generator's heart check. Always start by checking the oil level before heavy use, and change it every 50 to 100 hours. Clean oil prevents overheating and protects the engine. Next, inspect the air filter. A clogged filter starves the engine of air, wastes fuel, and reduces power. Clean it or replace it when it's dirty. Finally, check the spark plug. If it's dark, worn, or cracked, replace it. A healthy spark plug ensures smooth starting and stable performance. These 3 small steps alone keep most generators running at their best. 2. Fuel and power system care. Fuel is the #1 cause of generator trouble. Always use fresh fuel, and if the generator will sit for weeks, drain the tank or add a stabilizer so the fuel doesn't go stale. Look for leaks around the fuel line and carburetor, and clean the carburetor if the generator starts sputtering. If your generator has an electric start, keep the battery charged and the terminals clean. A dead battery means the generator won't start when you need it most. 3. Keep it active, clean, and protected. Generators don't like being forgotten. Run the generator at least once a month for 10 to 15 minutes under a small load to keep everything circulating and prevent moisture buildup. Keep the machine clean, clear debris from the vents, and store it in a dry place with a protective cover. These small habits prevent rust, protect the wiring, and ensure the generator stays ready for emergencies or job site work. Follow these 3 simple maintenance steps: engine health, fuel system care, and regular running, and your generator will stay powerful, efficient, and dependable for years. If you're seeing this video for the first time, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications to stay up to date on our videos and maximize your knowledge. Sure to check out our other videos to catch up and stay informed. For more information on generators or other products, you can reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.